A coil of self-inductance cell is connected in series with a bulb B and an AC source. The brightness of the bulb decreases when brightness of the bulb. So if you see, this is the bulb which is having resistance R. So if the current which is entering becomes less, then the brightness will reduce. Okay, so now what is the value of the current? It's going to be E naught divided by root over R square plus omega square L square, because there is a inductor which is inserted. अब क्या है कि when omega is, the frequency is decreased. When frequency is decreased, so what happens? This decreases. So omega is decreased, Z decreases, so therefore the current is going to increase. So this is not going to be the answer. Number of turns in the coil is reduced. Okay, so when the number of turns in the coil, which is self-inductance, okay, so N is reduced, so the L also gets reduced, so therefore the current is going to increase. Gone. Capacitance is included in the same circuit. Okay, so if capacitance is included, so what happens? Now there is going to be difference here. Okay, so when capacitance is there, so then it's going to be 1 by omega C minus omega L, which can be lesser than omega L. Okay, so therefore it may increase or it may decrease also. Okay, so it is not like certain whether the brightness will increase or decrease. ठीक है, क्यों? क्योंकि देखिए ओमेगा एल इतना है ना, लेट अस से, अब 1 बाय ओमेगा सी माइनस लेट अस से उतना ही है लगभग, तो दोनों कैंसिल हो जाएगा और केवल आर बचेगा. ठीक है, ये रेजोनेंस में होता है बेसिकली. लेकिन अगर मानिए कि ओमेगा एल इतना है and 1 by omega c is this much, so much and so that 1 by omega c minus omega L is greater than omega L, तो फिर क्या हो जाएगा कि now the brightness will decrease. तो यहाँ पे brightness increase भी हो सकता है, brightness decrease भी हो सकता है, लेकिन certain कुछ नहीं है. D, when iron rod is inserted in the coil. Yes, अब जब इंडक्टर में हम लोग आयरन रॉड को इंसर्ट करते हैं, ठीक है, सो व्हाट हैपेंस इज दैट सिंस द आयरन रॉड इज फेरोमैग्नेटिक थिंग, सो देयरफॉर द magnetic field inside the inductor increases, so therefore L increases. So now when the L increases, okay, L increases, so therefore omega L increases, therefore Z increases, and therefore the current will decrease. ठीक है, तो इसीलिए the option D is going to be the